This video shows you how to reset Trip A on your 2011 to 2016 Kia Rio III. Trip A tracks mileage, fuel economy, and driving time for a specific journey. Resetting it allows you to start fresh for new trips or track fuel consumption. This process involves using the physical buttons on your instrument cluster, as this model doesn't have modern touchscreen features. The Trip button is located on the left stalk of your steering wheel, or on the instrument cluster itself, depending on your specific model year. This button cycles through your odometer, Trip A, and Trip B displays. Familiarize yourself with its location before proceeding. To prepare to reset Trip A, first turn the ignition to the on position, but do not start the engine. Next, press the Trip button repeatedly until Trip A is displayed on your instrument cluster. Make sure the Trip A display is active before attempting to reset. Once Trip A is displayed, press and hold the Trip button for approximately 2 to 3 seconds. Watch the Trip A display. The values for mileage, average fuel economy, and driving time should all reset to 0. After holding the Trip button, verify that all values on the Trip A display have been reset to 0. If the values don't reset, repeat the process, ensuring you hold the button down firmly for the full duration. If Trip A fails to reset, several factors may be at play. A faulty Trip button or a malfunctioning instrument cluster are common issues, especially in older vehicles. Electrical issues, such as loose connections in the instrument cluster harness, can also prevent the reset. Consider consulting a mechanic for proper diagnosis and repair. Tech-savvy users can use aftermarket OBD2 scanners to reset Trip A digitally. These scanners connect to your car's ECU and allow you to view and reset trip data wirelessly via a smartphone app. Brands like Blue Driver offer such options. For ongoing maintenance, regularly check the functionality of your Trip A meter to ensure it resets properly. As automotive technology evolves, trip metering is shifting towards fully digital, app-integrated systems that provide more detailed insights. While the 2011-2016 Kia Rio III relies on manual button presses for resets, future vehicles will likely feature AI-driven analytics and automatic resets based on your driving habits.